Hey, in this video editing tutorial, I will show you how to fade to white in Premiere Pro. To get started, I have two clips on my timeline that I would like to add a fade to white transition to. If you head over to the Effects tab and type dip to white into the search box, and then drag the transition between the two clips in which you want to fade to white in between. If your transition has done what mine has just done here, by sticking to one side of the clip instead of in between the two clips, then head over to the Effects Controls tab. If you change the alignment here to the centre, then now your video will fade to white in between the two clips. If you are wanting to change the duration of this effect, then if you drag along the end of the transition on the timeline, or if you want a specific time for your transition, then you can change this in the Effects Control tab. Go over to Duration and then alter this number to whatever time you are wanting the effect to last. Finally, if you're wanting this effect to be at the start or the end of your video, then to do this, if you drag the dip to white effect to the start or end of your clip. This will then create a natural fade up or fade down from white. You can also change the duration of this fade via the Effects Control tab, or by dragging the end of the transition on the timeline. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.